Well, hello there. Sion Batson here from Sion Batson Tutoring, and in this video we will be renaming the fractional part of a mixed number. Very important concept for all of my 4th graders, my 5th graders, and even if you are getting ready to take the GED exam, this video is for you. So let's go. Now this exercise is out of my 5th grade math workbooks. You can master 5th grade math, next generation learning standards, and you can master 5th grade math, Common Core edition. Now both workbooks are filled with very simple and easy to follow notes, step-by-step examples, guided examples, and more than 1,800 practice problems and answers. Parents love these workbooks. Students love these workbooks. And the teachers love these workbooks because they are great resources for extra practice at home, for homework help, and they are the ultimate study guides to help your scholars get ready for the 5th grade state exam. So if you have a 5th grader, I would highly recommend that you get them a copy. You can get your copy from Amazon. Now, to our exercise. Sometimes when we add mixed numbers, our answer will be a mixed number that looks like this. The fractional part of the mixed number will be an improper fraction. Now, we can't leave an improper fraction as part of the answer. So whenever the fractional part of the mixed number is an improper fraction, we will rename or change the fractional part to a mixed number. Yes? Why? Because changing the fractional part to a mixed number will now make the fractional part a proper fraction. Yes? Get the idea? Now, I will teach you 2 very simple steps that will help you master this concept. Step 1, we will first change the fractional part, which is the improper fraction, to a mixed number. Step 2, we will add the whole numbers. We will add the whole number from the original or old mixed number to the whole number we get after changing the fractional part to a mixed number. Get the idea? Let's try the first one. So here we have 2 and 9/7. Now, the fractional part is an improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And again, we can't leave an improper fraction as part of the answer. So we will need to change 9/7 to a mixed number. Yes? Now, if you need to review how to change improper fractions to a mixed number, I recommend you go watch my video, Changing Improper Fractions to Mixed Numbers. When you feel comfortable, you come back and join us. Yes? So, let's go. Again, the first step will be to change 9/7 to a mixed number. And remember, to change an improper fraction to a mixed number, we will divide the numerator by the denominator. Yes? So let me draw my house. Let me set my house up. And again, the denominator goes outside and the numerator goes inside. And if you remember the steps for long division, we will divide first, then multiply, then subtract. Yes? And we will bring down if necessary. All right? Yeah. So the first step will be to divide. So 7 goes into 9 one time. We multiply. 7 times 1 is 7. Then we subtract. We get 2. Well, we are done because we have no more numbers to bring down. Yes? And if you remember, the number on top of the house, that's our whole number. And the remainder is our numerator. And the denominator stays the same. So 9/7 is equal to 1 2/7. Let's put it right here. So 9/7 over 7 is equal to 1 and 2/7. So far, so good. Now, step 2, we will add the whole numbers. Now, we can write 2 and 9/7 as 2 plus 9/7. Because in a mixed number, it's the whole number plus the fractional part. Yes? Now, let's add. So we will add the whole number from the old or original mixed number. Yes? And remember, when we changed 9 over 7, we got what? 1 and 2/7. So we will add the whole number from the older original mixed number to the whole number we got when we changed the fractional part, which is 9/7, to a mixed number. So the two whole numbers are 2 and 1. 2 and 1 gives us 3. Yeah? And we have 2 over 7 left. So 2 and 9 over 7 is equal to 3 and 2/7. And now if you see, the fractional part is now a proper fraction. And that was the goal. Get the idea? Make sense? Is everything clear? Perfect. Let's try another one. 2 simple steps. That's it. 2 simple steps. And you will master the skill. Let us try. Let's do 4 and 9 over, let's say, 2. Yes? Now, again, if you see here, the fractional part is an improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we will first change our fractional part to a mixed number. So we will change 9 over 2 to a mixed number. And remember again, we will divide the numerator by the denominator to change the improper fraction to a mixed number. Yes, so let's divide. Now, 2 goes into 9 4 times, yeah? 2 times 8, 2 times 4, sorry, is 8, yeah? Then we subtract, and we get 1. So, remember, the number on top of the house will be the whole number. The numerator will be the remainder, and the denominator stays the same. Yes? So 9 over 2 is the same as 4 and 1/2. Yes? So now the next step will be to add the whole numbers. We'll add the original or the old whole number to the whole number we get after changing the fractional part to a mixed number. Yes? So first, we know that we can rewrite 4 and 9 over 2 as 4 plus 9 over 2. Because in a mixed number, it's the whole number is always added to the fractional part. Yes? Now, let's go. So we'll add the original whole number, which is 4. And when we change 9 over 2, we got what? 4 and 1/2. So we'll add the whole number from the original or old mixed number to the whole number we get after changing the fractional part to a mixed number. So the two whole numbers are 4. 4 plus 4 gives us 8. And the fractional part is 1/2. So 4 and 9 over 2 is the same as 8 and 1/2. And again, if you see now, our fractional part is now a proper fraction. And that's the goal. Yes? That's why we are renaming the fractional part, because we need the fractional part to be a proper fraction. Make sense? Good. Now, guess what? It's your turn to try one. Now, I'm going to put one on the board, and I want you to give this one a try. If you want to, you can pause the video, or you can, well, not if you want to, you have to pause the video, but you can go back and watch the two examples that we just worked and then come back and see if we get the same answer. Yes? So pause the video, give this one a try, and then come back. Just remember, follow the steps. You'll first change the fractional part to a mixed number, then you'll add the two whole numbers. That's it. Yes? Give it a try. Now, welcome back. Let's go. So first we see that here, the fractional part is an improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we will first change the fractional part, or the improper fraction, which is 23 over 5, to a mixed number. Yes? And we know to change an improper fraction to a mixed number, we will divide the numerator by the denominator. So we have 23 over 5 here. And just remember that the denominator is always outside and the numerator is always inside the house. So we divide. 5 goes into 23 4 times. Yes? 5 times 4 is 20. We subtract and we get 3. And we're done. Remember now, the number on top of the house is our whole number. The remainder is our numerator. And the denominator stays the same. So 23 over 5 is the same as 4 3/5. So we have successfully changed the fractional part, which is the improper fraction, to a mixed number. Now let's add the whole numbers. Remember, we can rewrite 11 and 23 over 5 as 11 plus 23 over 5. Now, let's go. We'll keep the 11 here. And we just changed 23 over 5 to a mixed number, and we got 4 3/5. So far, so good. Now we can add the whole numbers. The whole numbers are 11 and 4. If we add 11 and 4, we will get 15. And the fractional part now remains 3/5. So 11 and 23 over 5 is equal to 15 and 3 over 5. And if you see, the fractional part is now a proper fraction. Did you get the answer? Very good. Now, even if you didn't get the answer, don't panic, don't stress. Go back, work the problem again. If you made a mistake dividing or adding, it's fine. Go back, see what your mistake was, and try the problem. If you need to, look at the last two examples you work, and then come back. Let's try one more, okay? One more. Okay? Last one. Let's do 7 and 47 over 6. Look at that one. Yes? Try this one. Pause the video, give it a try, and come back. Yes? Now, welcome back. Let's see if we get the same answer. So again, the fractional part here is 47 over 6. And we know that 47 over 6 is an improper fraction because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we will change the fractional part, which is the improper fraction, to a mixed number first. Yes? We know to change an improper fraction to a mixed number, we will divide the numerator by the denominator. When we draw our house, the denominator is always outside, and the numerator, it goes inside. Now we divide. How many times can 6 go into 47? Well, 6 can go into 47 7 times. Yes? 6 times 7 is 42. We subtract and we get 5. And if you remember now, the number on top of the house is our whole number. The numerator will be the remainder, and the denominator stays the same. Yes? So 47 over 6 is equal to 7 and 5/6. Did you get that? Very good. Now, we will first, before we add, let's first rewrite 7 and 47 over 6 as 7 plus 47 over 6. So now, when we change 7 over 6, sorry, when we change 47 over 6, we got what? We got 7 and 5 over 6. So now we can add the whole numbers, 7 and 7. And 7 plus 7 is 14, and the fractional part is 5 over 6. So 7 and 47 over 6 is the same as 14 and 5 over 6. And again, mission accomplished because our fractional part is now a proper fraction. Did you get this answer? Very good. Again, if you made an error somewhere, that's fine. Go back, see where you made your mistake, and try the problem again. Yes? Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you guys find it helpful. Yes? Until next time, I want you to enjoy your math homework and remember to practice. See you.